Hey y'all, let's talk cheese! Whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying a quiet night in, cheese is always a crowd pleaser. It's the heart of our charcuterie board, so choose wisely. The right selection can elevate your board from good to unforgettable. Aim for variety, a soft cheese like brie, which is creamy and mild, perfect for spreading on crackers. A hard cheese like cheddar, which offers a sharp, tangy flavor that pairs well with fruits and nuts. And a blue cheese like gorgonzola, which adds a bold, pungent kick to your selection. Don't be afraid to get adventurous. Explore different textures and flavors to surprise your guests. Try something new like a smoked Gouda, which has a rich, smoky flavor that's simply irresistible. Or a herbed goat cheese, which brings a fresh, tangy taste with a hint of herbs. Remember, a little goes a long way. You don't need to overwhelm your board with large quantities. You want enough for everyone to sample so they can enjoy a bit of everything, but you don't need a whole wheel of each. Balance is key to creating a delightful and memorable charcuterie experience. Next up, the charcuterie. Salami is a classic choice with its rich flavor and satisfying texture. Prosciutto adds a touch of elegance with its delicate slices and buttery taste. For a kick, try chorizo, a spicy Spanish sausage. You can also add other cured meats like pepperoni or sopressata. Remember to slice the meats thinly for easy snacking. Now for the fun part, the accoutrements. Olives add a salty, briny bite. Pickles offer a tangy contrast. Nuts provide a satisfying crunch. Dried fruits like apricots and figs bring a touch of sweetness. Don't forget the crackers and bread. Choose a variety of textures and flavors. And for the finishing touch, a few small bowls of honey, jam, and mustard. Section 4. Building your board, a step-by-step guide. Creating a charcuterie board can be an art form. And with a few simple steps, you can craft a visually stunning and delicious spread that will impress your guests. Ready to assemble your masterpiece? Start with the cheese. Choose a variety of textures and flavors to keep things interesting. Hard cheeses, soft cheeses, and everything in between. Cut the larger pieces into wedges or slices and arrange them around the board. Think about the visual appeal as you place each piece. Next, add the meats. Fold the salami and prosciutto into fun shapes like cones or rosettes. This not only adds a decorative touch, but also makes it easier for guests to pick up. Fill in the gaps with your accoutrements. Think nuts, dried fruits, and fresh fruits. These add color, texture, and additional flavors to your board. Finally, arrange the crackers and bread around the edges of the board and place your small bowls of spread strategically around the board. Consider adding a variety of spreads like honey, mustard, or jam to complement the flavors of the cheese and meats. And there you have it, a beautiful and delicious charcuterie board ready to be enjoyed. Section 5. Presentation is key tips for a stunning spread. Creating a visually stunning spread is an art form that can elevate any gathering. We eat with our eyes first, so let's make this board beautiful. Start by selecting a variety of items that offer different flavors and textures. Vary the heights of your items. Stack some crackers to add dimension and interest to your board. Create little piles of olives, both green and black, to add a pop of color and a burst of flavor. Use small bowls for your spreads. This not only keeps things tidy, but also adds a touch of elegance. Mix textures and colors to keep the eye moving. The contrast of creamy cheeses, crunchy nuts, and other elements creates a delightful experience for both the eyes and the palate. Adding colorful fruits like berries, grapes, and figs not only enhances the visual appeal, but also offers a refreshing taste. Don't overcrowd the board. Leave some space for easy grazing, allowing guests to pick and choose their favorites without any hassle. A well-arranged charcuterie board is a feast for the senses. Section 6. Serving with style. Elevate the experience. Time to serve. Use cute napkins and toothpicks for easy snacking. Encourage your guests to mix and match flavors and discover new favorites. Provide small plates so guests can create their own little snack combinations. Most importantly, relax and enjoy the experience together. Section 7. Gather round enjoying your masterpiece. There you have it. A beautiful and delicious charcuterie board, perfect for any occasion. Gather your friends and family, pour some drinks, and dig in. Remember, the best part of a charcuterie board is the shared experience. So relax, indulge, and savor every bite. Happy